Off-page SEO refers to the actions taken outside of your own website to improve its search engine rankings and increase its visibility on the Internet. While on-page SEO focuses on optimizing your website's content, structure, and HTML elements, off-page SEO revolves around building external signals and factors that can influence your site's reputation, authority, and popularity in the eyes of search engines. The main goal of off-page SEO is to enhance your website's online presence, increase its trustworthiness, and improve its chances of ranking higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. Off-page SEO techniques primarily involve building high-quality backlinks, social media promotion, online reputation management, and various methods of content promotion across the web. Here are some key components and strategies commonly associated with off-page SEO. 1. Backlink building. Acquiring high-quality backlinks from reputable and relevant websites is crucial for off-page SEO. These links act as votes of confidence and authority for your website, signaling to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. 2. Social media engagement. Active participation on social media platforms can help increase your brand visibility, attract more visitors to your website, and generate social signals that search engines consider when ranking websites. 3. Online reputation management. Managing and monitoring your brand's online reputation is essential for off-page SEO. Positive reviews, customer testimonials, and mentions from authoritative sources can boost your website's credibility and improve its rankings. 4. Influencer outreach. Collaborating with influencers or thought leaders in your industry can help you reach a wider audience, gain valuable backlinks, and increase your brand's visibility and authority. 5. Guest blogging. Writing and publishing articles on other relevant and reputable websites can expose your brand to new audiences, build relationships with industry peers, and earn backlinks to your site. 6. Social bookmarking. Sharing your website's content on social bookmarking sites can drive traffic, increase visibility, and potentially generate backlinks. 7. Content promotion. Actively promoting your content through channels like email marketing, press releases, and content distribution platforms can help attract attention, increase traffic, and generate backlinks. It's important to note that off-page SEO should always be approached ethically and in compliance with search engine guidelines. Unethical practices like link spamming or buying low-quality links can lead to penalties and negatively impact your website's rankings. A well-rounded SEO strategy incorporates both on-page and off-page optimization techniques to achieve the best results and improve your website's overall visibility and authority on the web.